Everybody, Jim King back out here in Independence on our day 4 project on this beautiful old historic home. We're stabilizing the stone foundation in strategic areas around the house. As you can see here, we got our holes all shored up for safety, and never had a problem ever, but there's always a chance, so we always take extra precaution and shore up our walls of our holes. So anyway, we got some projects going on down here on the side, a stone foundation renovation. Let's see here. Where's the doggone light? Oh, it's on down here, isn't it? Okay. We've come in here with our mortar. We came in here originally the other day with wire brushes. This wall, this side wall here was leaching water. We come in here with wire brushes and wire brush everything. We've done that. We've coated it with concrete, a special blend of concrete. It's got some plug in it, which fast setting to waterproof this wall. Now, this is the second step. We also did inside this room here. Oh, where the light is. Anyway, you can't see it, but we're just now waiting. We're going to coat this with some Behr dry lock waterproofing paint. It's good. So cleaned all the floor up. There was dirt down here that had leached in from the rain, and it soaked in down here, and it bring dirt with it, and then it dries, and there's a big pile of dirt in here. We've cleaned it all up. Just looks fantastic. There we go. We'll go inside here now that we got some lights. Figure out how my eyesight. There we go. All right. Let me turn this baby on. There we go. So here's inside this room here. It's got the concrete on it. We're going to come in here in a day or two. We're focused now on the piers on the outside, but we'll coat this with some dry lock paint, and it'll be just beautiful. It'll be white, and no more water. The only place that water could possibly enter after we're done is behind this wall here, because we couldn't seal behind this wall here unless we tore it out. So they didn't want it tore out. So this is what you got, folks. So stay tuned. This is day 4. We're right in the middle of digging our holes for our piers on the outside. We're going to do our first pour of concrete tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. For all your foundation piering, foundation repair needs, give us a call, 816-288-4373. You can always go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And we love it if you'd come to our YouTube channel and subscribe to our channel. It's very important that we get subscribers. It helps our visibility, and so we greatly appreciate it. Thank you.